Good morning. With respect to our batches of Group 2, APPSC and TSPSC, and also SI of Police for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, General Studies batches for Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and separately for all other states. Last date has been extended up to July 7th, 2020. And the students who could not join because of any reason, they may please utilize this opportunity and join as early as possible and avail this particular opportunity. Classes are highly qualitative, material will be provided, practice test will be provided, whatever the examination you are aspiring for, everything will be provided under this particular package. So take a quick decision and join before 11:30 in the evening by July 7th, 2020. Now I would like to show you the document and the procedure how to join. Students who want to join, you can just take a pic of this. All the details are available here. This is my mobile number, WhatsApp number, my mail ID you can see. Group 2, just 5,900 rupees, prelims and mains. SI of Police, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, separate batches for English medium and Telugu medium, just 2,900 including GST. Similarly, General Studies 2020 for Andhra Pradesh examinations and Telangana examinations, and it is just rupees 1900 including GST. This will be useful for examinations like Assistant Executive Engineers, Degree College Lecturers, Junior Lecturers, Polytechnic Lecturers, Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspectors. For all these positions, you have a paper called General Studies, and it will be useful for both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This is also available in both English medium as well as Telugu medium. Similarly, you have another package for General Studies for all competitive examinations in India. That will be useful for all state level examinations where you have the General Studies, but you have to read your state geography, state economy separately, state history separately. Rest all will be covered here, and this will be completely useful for examinations like SSC and CLAT. So you may please make use of this one. This is including downloadable PDF. You can download our material which is available in the form of PDF, and you can take the test only in our site, but the tests are not downloadable. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. After that one, you can send me the rest of the details to my WhatsApp, and immediately within an hour you will get the access. Kindly look at the last date, right? So the last date is July 7th, 2020. Please join before 11:30 in the evening on July 7th. I would like to show you our site also. This is our site www.onlineias.com, and you can come here for GS 2020. This is for all India. This is for all India. You can have a look at the syllabus. You can look at the demos, watch the demos. After that, please get registered. And for AP GS, again you can look at the seminar. You can look at the demos, then go for the registration. Similarly for GS Telangana, please watch demos, then go for the registration. With respect to APPSC 2020, this is related to Group 1. You may watch demos and join. Group 2, you may watch the demos and join. And I would like to say something here with respect to APPSC Group 2. In APPSC Group 2 main examination, under paper number 2, you have AP History, and that one part is Indian Polity and other part is AP History under paper number 2. And as far as the AP History English medium is concerned, already some existing videos are there. You may please watch that. But again we are going to start AP history afresh. Clear? And that is for 75 marks. And the gentleman who took the classes very effectively for Indian history, same faculty member, very effective and experienced and examination oriented faculty member, is going to take up the AP history classes for you. Since you already got the experience of that gentleman with respect to Indian history, you will also be going to enjoying AP history classes also. Clear? For Telugu medium, it is already done by some other efficient faculty member. But with respect to AP history English medium, fresh classes are going to be started, and they are going to be started from July 4th onwards. Schedule will be given to you. So all subjects are very much assured. In the similar manner, under paper number 3, Indian economy, complete Indian economy was dealt by me, and that is already done. We are going to start AP economy very soon. That is the reason why the new aspirants, clear, the students who did not take the admission so far, please take the decision very quickly and join at the earliest and start your preparation as early as possible. So this is the, everything is included here. So you need not look for any other area, but everything is available in a comprehensive manner and at a very reasonable and highly discounted prices, and the quality is the superior. Now once again I would like to show you our site. So you can come here, you can come down to group 2, you can watch demos, then go for the registration. Similarly, SI of police, watch demos, then go for the registration. Similarly, TSPSC, group 1 or group 2, you please watch demos, then you go for the registration. But please remember, after July 7th, there may not be any extensions as far as the fee discounts are concerned. So I suggest all of you to join as early as possible before the expiry of this particular date, and take these benefits. And I wish you all the very best for the forthcoming examination to be conducted by various boards and service commissions with respect to group 2 or SI of police or other general studies paper. And I wish you all a very good luck. Thank you so much.